Karibu chai baba kani.
Asante. Kuna naende kakara kalito sana.
Ng'ombe linja beke mori. Ndero ngo kama ibere.
Na kindo shoterere
te. Kei. Aba lero no naye. Nsumati ole.
Bono.
Lero na jeje wacha kubeka.
Kero monto kwa rura sonya
ari. Sasa wesi biri. Gore nie.
Nona kero kwa rure. Nyagitari konyo sotari koragira. Ogocoka isiko gaiga kwarikiri keroro kwabeka muno.
None tukia. Igore nie na gotebia. None musaje urira arakora ta kwero sina yoria.
Yani. Goikana ari gochaga gama gocha monge chibesa chiani.
Wono iga kitwande na mariko. Wono no
imaki mangi chege gangi chekorika mo mako nga chibesa.
O saininse. Egero nari to kumenya na kinyarebe na irete chibesa cha chingana iganyarebe na irete chibesa cha chingana. No matenga mukeira gachete ko complaininga. Ekero na muteti acha saini agachaga saini akanda kanyora Joseph ni abwate chinyingi akamana gocha kontena kiera ntamwa chinyingi komote gose ko na ne namba na kikwa ko nyachi besa chia okubwatekana.
Karatiga bone fe yero natumia bakaga ningeo.
Boko ngumbo ya beseri ya onero kurusia fe kiagera na benga nare ogotomera mpesa. Enache na ndochi ko gwitiduro.
Anyway, na bongo saini monge chibesa echo lakini ne chibesa echo ndinta beto mungaini uroche magoma. Save chibesa chie kiombe. Nsoe kiombe kia bangina.
Gusina kina gotena baba soe kiombe. Soe kiombe ke goko.
Ango saye ngenchonde street.
Achi. Abalendera ron smart.
Engese yani.
Kware ngambe na gotebati.
Ebese yankonyire.
Buyapi.
Yankonyire.
Ngaigwa cheterete baba ona karante.
Just yo na chire nonde. Ngaenda ebese yeye na ari kugachirani. Na ari gwekora ati mbwati besa mugakori ora ati mbwati besa.
Mama tigego sorry bono gaki ukonganyie pound baka sai.
Nago tenga ngomnyo kale gocha kwanza oyo. Osoro. 120 wacha kuoje. 20. Inago tetinga ginkonyora na lingo cha nkori ginkoe. Nande ngokoretere besa. Taringa ogocha kondi gisiringo isirini baka isikoriana na lero. Nande gwache to kambete linga koeke barugo kangaterie getugi. Yani ocha kondi gari 20. Ai, kando nganya ko chigari nkoretere siringo isirini chiao. Ekero nkonyora. Nande nago tetinga chacha na koire koma.
Yo kira smoko.
Aye. Kusira ne bitu bya gwateria abantu.
Ninta
Nimechanda na be comment.
Ndio wachirike sana. Karibu. Na ari ngeko tokando usirika. Sadaka na ari usahohi.
Na bongo mno monto kwenda ushirika.
Usirika. Chikachi twenge iraro. Karibu.
Ai. Eba seri na bo kero yikire kare bese kurugiye kiombe. Na kere si minde busy. Toro chire ndakagasia ke una kambekire. Alafu tomaya kumanyana kina bato akuganda.
Sawa.
Na bongo wa kere si. Aya asante bon. Kara nane pound.
Agesar. Jamana pikoro ganda ga jobo mabana bonga usena ki boncho ga ine timba timora mbeti mai tona ga komise tipo pe ga irana to ga anda ta ko irana ta ko to ga anda ga
Yesangenda ne sare tikoro wege busigwansere
pore te mwana yoko ko sari go sari ga ga evni ndora tore saranse tu kwana na ndokora ma np jabon no moto na manyire na somire re soni yana ndingo ko kora makoso ango soga to ga anda
kero konde ta kero ngo tigara tingenda oyoronga yagochi
Keringo mo bangro timu anchi na ran chade tepi na ndonga ko tawe tingana ro no mo tora tere njiti mai ani na ndia tere ati manyiti
no ndia tere to manyiti
ye hari ango moroki ari nyomba ko ndwani ako
moroki oyo omoitio oyo kire gento ekiare. That's what you deserve. Wegure
ge sa to ko tingana rendi sabeti aropiga aki china nganchi na timbu ati olitimo taketi
timbu ati sympathy and on space ai nae. Yani asiye kire it's over hivyo tu. Tigatoheshimiane na kino ubwate mukago na inche by the way.
Ortari mokana bitu gukwana igo. Ortari mokana re.
Nimbwate musashone. Ngoga tore nyang soon. Babe. Sahar
tu into you.
Sorry.
Ngaki babe. Ngaki bono kwanyo weka mne.
Osoro nero yo.
Osoro.
Osoro nero mugakone.
Ngaki osoro.
Ngo kumukwani.
Bono koraki kanyako nganyega alimenda gambanera. Osoro. Ya osoro bono. Asante sana soko ndendero mukungu. ai no muntu mia sana bono nabo ngocha gukurangiria sandi to ikaransi to gambe ontebia mangana mangi lakini bone ginto gukora ni nabwatiribu kaiga ngo ngoko tiganda kwa chirichira osoro wataiga mere chai echitigange mukungu no che etukine sarigete ai ntomirane sasa ai no muntu mia this strong man
as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay.
Hey Anita.
Hey.
Long time. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Umerembeka sana. Mambo?
Really? Hi.
Naona unakula poa, maisha inakupeleka vizuri.
Oh, si vile.
Sema lakini. Unanikumbuka kweli?
Si ndio.
Naitwa
Kwani
aje?
baby, mimi nawezaje kukusahau?
Ndio nimerudi sasa.
Umetoka Dubai.
Kama kawaida.
So how is Dubai?
Dubai is good. Last time unajua mambo iko fiti hivi. And then I decided unajua sisi kama wanaume lazima ujipange utoke kidogo uende utafute kitu.
Okay.
But now I'm good.
You look very good.
Wallahi, thank you so much.
You really look like you're earning big.
I'm good, eh?
Yeah.
Shukrani. But wewe ni mrembo zaidi vile nilikuacha last time.
I hope sasa vile umekuja sasa unanioa.
Haina noma. But
Really?
you know, before that, hata nikikupeleka home, so unajua nyumbani last time vile wazazi walikuwa wananipeleka mbio.
Si, kwani uweze panga wazazi wako?
Niwapange kivipi sasa?
Si just tell them you love me. Usiniambie tu like umenipenda na
No, I loved you before. No, don't even go there.
no, you still love me.
I loved you before. I still love you, but I need to be assured if you're okay. So unajua yale mapenzi ya kitambo we didn't have.
Okay, there's only one thing that I need to tell you. But it's not big. Usichukulie kikubwa.
No problem, just tell me.
Mimi niko na mtoto.
Uko na mtoto hii? How old is the kid?
The baby is just a few months old.
A few months. Oh, mtoto hii ulipata na nani? What is the dad?
To be honest, I just can't remember. Don't blame me. I can't.
You cannot remember.
Mimi siwezi kumbuka baba mtoto.
No. No problem, eh? What I'll do, because I have to rush home, my dad is calling me.
Are you serious? You're going to accept my kid?
No, wait. Take it step by step.
Oh, okay.
I have to go home, say hi to my dad and mom. Then I think tomorrow, let's come tomorrow. We go somewhere, sit down, have a cup of coffee.
Sure?
We just talk about that, don't worry.
Uko sure?
You're a good lady.
Uko sure utanitoroka kama last time?
I cannot lie.
You know, hiyo ni tabia yako kunitoroka.
No, si
like
kutoroka.
you went silent for 2 years.
But ni life,
2 years.
You understand what we went through last time, and then I had
that wasn't good. That wasn't
ups
okay.
and
No, I
downs,
just can't. You went silent for 2 good years.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Anita.
I felt so hurt.
I'm sorry, Anita.
You really hurt my feelings.
You remember the guy called Matonya when he was singing about Anita wangu? You remember that? No, calm down. You remember that? And that's the love you had for me at that time. I gave you my all and I tried my best, but definitely things didn't work out.
How am I even sure there's no one in your life right now?
As you can see, first of all, sina hata ring. So, and then me standing.
Maybe you took it off.
Oh, me kusimama na wewe hapa. And there are a lot of people passing here. So, unaona hii ni public place.
No, you'll tell them I approached you.
I'm not hiding anything. So what we do, I have to rush home, then I come back tomorrow.
Really?
It's a deal.
It's a deal?
Have a cup of coffee and then we'll talk. As long as you maintain, wait, as long as you maintain a smile. Usikuje kesho kama.
Okay.
Sawa.
Usipokuja.
No, I must come.
I'll come with the baby.
Deal sealed.
And I will tell your parents it's your child.
And I know huyo mkid anakufanana, si ndio?
Yeah. Very cute kid.
Sawa, thank you so
If
much.
you don't do that,
No,
I'll come to your home and I'll tell them it's your baby.
No problem, no problem.
Na nikuamilie huko.
That one ni mimi na
Tuone
wewe
utafanya
tutahandle.
nini.
Tumetoka far.
Hapana, you must marry me. This
just-
time there's no shortcut. Hakuna shortcut. Hakuna shortcut. Utanioa,
Hiyo, wait.
nitakukwamilia.
Leave that one I'll
Kwako
handle.
si banduki.
Leave that one I'll handle it.
Sitoki.
I'll handle it, okay? Now I'm here and at least I got something good. Sisi tutakuwa fit.
Okay.
And that's what we needed at the end of the day.
Okay.
You get it?
Okay.
Because you're a good lady and everything you knew is just amazing.
Okay.
Hata kanywele nimeona umekatengeneza vizuri.
Yeah.
Tutaweka nini ile?
Extension
Kidogo, si ndio? Na at least unaonekana fiti ya tuko vile tulikuwa vile kitambo yani. Kuna some development kidogo.
Okay.
Kizidi nijishike kisogo, nishike